If your sneakers look like they survived a zombie apocalypse, don't be worried, you guys. I'm gonna show you how to clean them idiot-proof style. This is gonna be for a video, not even just for you, but for me, myself too. I need to take this into account. And with that being said, you guys, at the very end, I'll show you my weird but genius hack for cleaning sneakers without lifting a finger. So that being said, you guys, step number one is gonna be the prep, and this is gonna be the part we cannot skip, you guys. I know sneaker cleaning can kind of feel like a little too much to do, and I feel like it kind of seems like something that is redundant. You need to keep doing it, but I promise you guys it's definitely gonna pay off. So first things first, I definitely recommend you remove those laces and insoles, you guys. I definitely recommend using a quick dry brush to go ahead and remove that loose dust on the shoe, and stuff your shoes with paper towels, or if you do have some shoe trees, crease things, like the crease protectors, make sure you put those in to go ahead and keep the overall shape. But with that being said, you guys, a quick little story time for y'all. One time I did forget to take the laces out, you guys, and I ended up cleaning sneakers, but the laces looked like they had been dragged through the swamp, you guys. So you definitely do not want to be me. Make sure you guys go ahead and take the prep seriously, you guys. But step number two, you guys, I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be a real quick process, and this is gonna be a video you can go through time and time again, so make sure you slow down the video if you need to. But step number two is gonna be the wash, and this is gonna be the fun part, you guys. So this is gonna be part where you're gonna go ahead and clean the sneakers real thoroughly. So now, for most sneakers, you want to go ahead and use a soft brush plus warm water and some mild soap. You definitely want to go ahead and scrub in circles, you guys. Don't flood the shoe, you guys. That's gonna definitely cause your materials to kind of cause that like worn out look, and the build is gonna be ruined. So definitely just scrub in small circles. Don't use too much water. Use a good moderate amount. You can definitely use a toothbrush for those hard to reach spots, and wipe with a clean towel between rubs. We're gonna get into the suede and delicate materials in a minute, and that's exactly why I said for most sneakers you're gonna have to use like the soft brush. That is gonna be where most people ruin their sneakers, so definitely take that into account. And for sure, step number three, we're now gonna get into the material specific tips. And now with leather, you definitely want to use gentle soap and don't over scrub. With the suede slash like that nubuck type material, you definitely want to use a dry brush only, or use a suede cleaner, and never soak the sneaker, you guys. Like emphasis, never soak it. You're gonna ruin the leather. And then also for the knit and prime knit, you want to use a fabric cleaner or mild detergent, and avoid pulling out the threads, because that's obviously gonna put some wear and tear into the materials. I don't have all the types of sneakers or all the type of materials, so I don't know if I have some B-roll clips, but I'll try my best. Now is the hack that I promised, and yes, it sounds dumb, but it works. So that being said, you guys, this is gonna be the lazy hack. You want to put your sneakers into a pillowcase, toss it into a washing machine on gentle cycle, cold water with a little bit of detergent, and you're gonna air dry it and never machine wash it. And this basically is gonna allow you to go ahead and clean your sneakers really nicely. And I learned this from one of my family members, I think it was my grandma or one of my aunts or something like that. They definitely clean their sneakers like this, and this is the lazy way to go ahead and do it, but it's definitely gonna do you some justice if you definitely don't want to have to put in all that work. But I gotta say, your kicks are gonna come out looking clean. It's gonna be based like you brought a new pair. But with that being said, this is not recommended for all sneakers. I definitely recommend you check the materials first. Now, a little bonus for y'all, this is gonna be a little lace and sole glow up tip. You definitely want to soak your laces in warm soapy water, then let them air dry. You want to use that magic eraser for sole scuffs, baking soda plus hydrogen peroxide paste for whitening soles, and the sunlight is definitely gonna help with that. Now this step is definitely gonna take your sneakers from the oh they're clean to yo like these sneakers look like they're fresh out the box. So if you want that type of feeling, use this tip. Now with that being said, you guys, there you go. Your sneakers are cleaned, you guys, and there is no advanced degree required, you guys. Definitely put in the time, and it's definitely gonna pay off for sure. And if you try this, your kicks will look brand new. And you guys, matter of fact, let me know how your sneakers came out in the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section down below how they came out. But if you want me to drop a video on the 5 biggest mistakes people make when cleaning their sneakers, let me know in the comment section down below, and make sure you hit that sub button so you get notified when it comes out. Now, if you guys want to be put on with the latest and greatest in terms of sneaker game, click the playlist right here, and I'll see you on that one.